reported to the Child Protection Services. Well, now they've taken my daughter and my son from me, and they came to my store last night with police, and they took my daughter, and they said they had no reason as to why they were taking my child, both my children actually. And I don't really understand how can they take my children without giving me a reason? It's not lawful. This is child protection. And I said, "What reason are you taking my children? What have I done? Who's ordered this?" And they wouldn't tell me. They said, "I don't know. It comes from above our heads." My children were screaming and crying for me. As far as I knew, there has to be an imminent danger, which means like an immediate reason that these children are in danger, that they need to be removed from the situation. Now, what reason? They're at my store. This is my store, everybody. I work at a smoke shop, like I said. I mean, I do what I'm supposed to do every day. I take care of my children. They come to work most times, especially since the quarantine. And the two cops said, "We don't know either." They said, "Nick, we know you're a good father. We know the situation. And we know that their kids are best safe with you." And the CPS workers said that they've already had an agreement with me that the kids would stay with the grandparents. It was a verbal agreement, but it wasn't anything. A safety plan is in New York State. You have to put a safety plan in writing. It has to be signed by both parties, and it's actually not a legal binding contract. So how can these people take my children in front of me with them screaming, kicking, and crying? And they had no right to. It's against the law. Why can they break laws? I'm just wondering. I'm sure not many people go live when their kids are in a foster home, but mine are. And it's a terrible feeling because my children have been with me every single day since the day they were born. Unless they're with my mother on vacation once a year. I'm the parent that does what I'm supposed to do. And I'm supposed to be given that right to take care of my children. Somebody's taking that away. And it's our government. It's not right. Tomorrow I have a video conference to try and hope that my mom can have custody of my kids because they might be split up in a foster home right now. We just got done with that. Dealing with their mother. She's in rehab now again. Dealing with her, trying to get better. And these kids are damaged from it because of that recovery. They need to be repaired, and CPS is ripping them from their only constant parent, their father, me. I just think that this should be said. People should hear it. This is New York State child protection. My kids are not in danger when they're with me. I have about probably 10,000 people that come through the store, most of them on a regular basis, and they'll tell you the same thing. It's ridiculous. And our justice system is ridiculous. Thank you.